So hello everyone, here we have a patient who had come to us with concerns of a broad nose. As you can see in the pre-op, he had a broad dorsum and a bulbous tip. He had alar flaring which he wanted to be reduced. So this is his 8th day post-operative, and let's now first remove the splint so that we can see what all changes have occurred post-operatively. You have light pain?
No.
Little pain you might have. No, what's etc. Okay. Okay. This is a line. Yeah. Is it burning?
No. Only a little pain.
Okay. So as you can see, post-operative, the dorsal bit was reduced and it's quite narrow now, and there was quite a lot of alar based flaring which we have reduced here, and you can see the sutures here which are present post-operatively. Apart from that, we've also done a malar augmentation with implants. So the malar region has been augmented and his face looks much more symmetric now. You can see yourself in the mirror. There is a bit of bruising here, but that will reduce, it will subside on its own.
And it's all swelling in the tip also, it will subside.
Yeah.
Normally it is after 6 months it will come the final result, or?
Yes, you will have to wait a couple of weeks, at least 1 or 2 months, you will see the results. But then in the next 6 months, you will see definitive results. That's it.
You would like to tell something, Anish? How was the experience? How was the surgery?
First I thought it it will be a painful procedure.
Because
but
you have undergone one surgery before.
Yeah,
years
before,
back,
yeah,
around 11
12
years,
years back.
12 years back,
Yeah.
and that was for the jaw surgery.
Yeah, jaw surgery.
But you told that time you were not much aware as to what rhinoplasty
Yeah.
exactly,
Yeah,
what all
exactly.
changes
Yeah,
can be done.
Now feeling not that much painful. What I maybe it will be too much painful or like that. But once the pack removed, that day itself I can breathe.
Breathing was very
yeah,
difficult. You know, that's a little tricky part for
Yeah.
most of the patients to breathe that way. Yeah. Just have a look at the mirror carefully now, Anish. All the changes, as much as possible, is being achieved. Your dorsum, just look at the dorsal width now.
Okay.
Right now. Yes, there is swelling everywhere. In fact, there's bruising below your eyes that will also come down. Yeah. But you had an experience of a surgery before, first hand, but the jaw surgery, and
Yeah.
even your implants have been removed. By implants, I mean the plate and the
Yeah,
screws.
yeah.
Yeah. We'll go on to take a scan, and we'll also have a discussion over the scan.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. What about this switcher? It will remove?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll just clean.
Yeah. With swelling now or it is
There is swelling. We have
it will
Did you have a look at your previous pictures? I'll show you that once. This is the view we can see maximum difference. Look up a little bit and see yourself in the mirror and look at the alar flare here. Okay, what has been done is you see the shape of the nares or the nostrils. Okay, it has been tucked inside.
okay.
Okay, yes, the tip looks a little bulbous. It's because only this part was pinched. The splint was here. This
that's-
part was open, right?
Yeah.
Also, with respect to the lip, okay, upper lip, work has been done here as well. Work has been done on both the malar region.
Okay.
Okay. I'll show you other views. You can see. Turn on one side and you can see how the nose looks right now. You had a deep radix. There's a depression, and see, it's not. It's the elevation is not very smooth. The transition is not very smooth. If you see, there's a depression at the radix, and then it's going all uphill. Right now, it's become much smoother. You can look this view as well. See the nose from the frontal view. It was broad,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You can see there's a hump as well. See, by hump I mean this. Okay,
There was any block, air block like that?
you did not have any functional issues,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But after the surgery, your nose might feel little heavy. You will feel that the pack has come out. Still, I'm not able to breathe completely. That's because of blood and mucus clogging internally. There are stitches inside,
Yeah.
but those will not be removed. Those dissolve on their own.
Okay.
Okay, so all these things will take time. You might feel my breathing is affected, but that's just a transient one.
Okay.
It will improve.
This switcher automatically it will.
Intraoral, it will dissolve. I'll still check once your healing is good
Yeah.
intraorally. Okay,
This implants and all it will.
I'll take a scan and show you.